My body's feeling great. Good food is on my plate. That's what the teacher say. I got my gopher power. My glow is like a flower. Your fruits every hour. I'm never stopping. My energy is popping. It's like I got nutrition in my mind, saying it's the healthy time. Cause the food is gonna fake. But the veg is gonna take. Baby, I'm just gonna shake. Shake off the junk food. I used to sit and eat the salt and fries with the soda and the sugary pies. I was tired and I felt low, but then I learned the pinggang Pinoy. Now my body is jumping up for joy. Look at me, I've got that healthy glow. I've got the power, I'm eating the grow. Cause I am the champion, and you're gonna hear me roar. It seems like everybody's got a price. Buying junk food because you think it's nice. But your health is really what you need, not the sugar and the grease. Why is everybody so obsessed? Eating oily foods and feeling stressed. Money can't buy us happiness. Because your health is really what you need. Yeah. It's not about a candy. We don't need your soda. We just wanna make the world healthy. Forget about the junk food. Ain't about the, yeah. The cling, ain't about the, yeah. Ka-ching, wanna make the world healthy. Forget about the junk food. Hi, I'm Madonna Gwen C. Floreta from BSTM 1A. Remember, health is wealth. Thank you.